Hey bestie, I have not shown you my outfit in a hot minute, so I'm gonna show you. So this is my outfit today. Don't ask me why I'm wearing all black, I just thought I would. This whole set, this, and as well as this, is from IMGA, but the arm thing is actually from a different top. I'm gonna give you a closer look. And I don't know if you wanna know or anything, but you know the vibes. You know, but that's for like somebody else to see. You know what I mean? Like if I want you to see it, you'll see it. If I don't want you to see it, then you won't. Oh fuck. The bag is from Peter Doe. I forgot to take out the tag. My manager got me this bracelet, and the boots are from 80s. Although I probably would have paired this with like some strappy heels, you know. But all of my heels are in LA right now. So the fuck is that?